A trick? A lie?
I screwed up. I should have told you before now. You take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
The dragon? That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
He was just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
They killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them. I did it. I have brought down this mighty beast.
Bones sinking like stones.
I am a Viking.
We fought for.
Why couldn't I have killed that dragon when I found him in the woods?
The rest of us would have done it.
I did this.
So why didn't you?
I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
We live in a beautiful world.
First to ride one, though.
Bones sinking like stones.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. And I looked at him, and I saw myself.
Homes, places we've grown, all of us are done for. And we
I'm ready.
beautiful
No.
It's a mess. You've lost everything.
Oh, what? Do you want an apology? I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
He who controls the armor controls the all.
No! Get away from him! Go on! Get out of here! You never cease to amaze me, bud. Thank you.
I am the Night Fury Killer.
I will never give him up. We should go.
Fighting over a dragon? That's your plan?
This is safe.
all
You're right, bud.
that I know.
It's time.
There's nothing here to run from.
Go, Toothless.
'Cause here, everybody here's got somebody to lean on.
I love you too.